98.5 is WYLD New Orleans, home of the Steve Harvey Morning Show, weekdays 5 to 9, and putting you to bed at night with a Sweat Hotel at 7. Yes, indeed. The best from back in the day and today. FM 98 WYLD.